Hey guys, welcome to a new video on NailPossible. Today I have a first impressions video. We're gonna talk about BeautyBigBang. They're a brand very similar to Born Pretty Store. They sell different beauty products, but I believe it's mostly nail art stuff. I saw them on Instagram a while ago, but I never got around to actually getting something from them. So a few months ago they asked me if I wanted to test some of their products, and they let me choose a few things that I just received recently. So here's what I received. First, I wanted to test their stamping polish. I got two, one creme and one hollow. These polishes have 9 mils. For reference, the Born Pretty Store ones are 6 mils, the ones in the tiny bottles. And Indie Polish usually has between 11 and 13 mils. And a Sinful Colors, for instance, is 15 mils. The box says it's a stamping polish, but the bottle just says nail polish. And on the back of the box you have the ingredients and some other information. This is the other polish. It's a very holographic light blue, also 9 mils. The polishes don't have shade names, just numbers. The holographic is 003 and the creme is 018. So we're gonna be testing these. Next up we have a stamping plate. I wanted to test the quality of their plates. The design, I think it's a pretty basic one to be able to test different things. It has full nail images and also individual images at the top. And finally we have these silver foil stickers. It comes with different sizes to fit different nails, and also it comes in 2 widths. Okay, so let's test the polishes first. We have 018. It's a bit of a darker teal. It looks like it's very pigmented because you can't even see the brush. I'm going to test it on the plate with one of the images and it comes out very crisp. Even the thinnest lines, like those hearts over there, are super nice and clear. Now this holographic polish, when you apply it to the plate, it looks super thin and see-through, which might seem like a bad sign, but that's just the way it works with at least some holo polishes and stamping. Even on the stamper, it's very hard to see the image because generally you put this over a creme, but the image itself picked up really nicely. It's not missing any lines or anything. Okay, so now I'm going to try to come up with a design with all of this. I already have base coat on my nails. And I'm going to start applying the creme stamping polish. I've never done this before, but because we're testing everything, we're just gonna do that. Because of the pigmentation, it's a 1-coater. And I'm trying to be very careful because I don't want to stain anything. I'm actually kind of regretting this because I already stained my skin a little bit, and I don't know if this is going to stain my nails because I'm just wearing 1 coat of base coat, but we're in too deep, guys. We're in too deep. I'm going to clean up very carefully. And we're already stained, and I don't think this is coming off. Well, this is as good as it's gonna get, so let's just move on. I'm going to use this image, taking advantage of the curve at the bottom. We're gonna be testing the holo polish now. And I'm going to stamp it, leaving a gap between the image and my cuticle. Repeat on the other nails. And I keep getting closer and closer to the cuticle, but I'm going to try to fix that later. Now let's use the stickers. We're going to be applying these to the edge of the image. And I'm going to cover the holo polish on the other side. Clean up again. This one is poking out a bit, so I'm going to trim it. And protect everything with a top coat. Honestly, this is probably my favorite mani I've ever invented on the spot like this, but let's just talk about each product. The polishes are great, but I don't think I'll ever use it like this again. It's already hard enough for me to find good stamping polish, and it's kind of pointless to waste it as regular polish. Plus, it's a nightmare to clean up. I think I'm gonna have stained skin the entire week. The holo polish is really good too. Behaves exactly the way I was expecting. It picks up really well and the image is very clear. The plate, I think it's a fantastic starter plate. It covers a lot of basics. You get full nail patterns and also individual images. I like the curve at the bottom. I don't think I own any plates like this, although I basically messed up my idea and I had to cover it up anyway. As for the quality, it's pretty good. Everything I tested stamped really well. And my favorite product hands down were the silver foil stickers. I loved them and I think they look gorgeous. My only issue was that I had a hard time lifting them from the sheet and I messed up a couple of them, so I had to cut them off a bit. This one, for example, I had to cut it off here, and this side over here, that's just where it ends. They were also a bit short for my thumbs. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, you can give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!